Welcome everyone, hey, welcome chat, welcome great community. How are you doing on a happy Friday times? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. What's up guys, ladies and gentlemen, we're ready to fly. Look at the markets, we're gonna do just like the markets. Taking the highs. And having a lovely time on a happy Friday moments. How are you doing chat? Great to see you. What a lovely time out here. $125,000 by the way for the giveaways. Morning everyone, make sure to like the video and sign up for the giveaways. Come on. Good evening out there. Bunch of things on the chart. But first, let's just share this with all the community members, pretty much everywhere, in all the trading groups that we're participating. Let's just go ahead and share this, guys. We're going to trade our Lucid or IRM. We, by the way, grabbed 5 150k Lucid Flex accounts. Because Lucid Flex is ending their promotion today. Keep that in mind. Lucid Flex, let me drop you the link, is ending their promotion today. Oh. That's the rhythm. For the Lucid Flex, 40% off is ending today. Good morning. Good evening, welcome great community. How are you doing on the 680s? It's an interesting level that we have here guys for the Nasdaq on the hourly. I'm telling you, this is an interesting level. Yeah, this is a level I would bid. This is a level I would bid and test out a little long. So we're going to get started to test it out on our IRM account. Quick long entry. We're going to be tight on the stop loss if it wants to continue. That's a level for me to consider, the 680s. If it holds, we're going to monetize. Oh, you wanted that low. Let's go, guys. Come on. Yeah, there's going to be accounts available for the Lucid Flex, certainly pretty much everywhere. 120 profit, 120 profit, buying back a little cheaper, 120 profit for the first trade. We're going to take it slowly, right? We're going to take it slowly and accumulate on the days. 2 contracts out here. You know the target is $150, right? How are you doing today? How do you feel around? We got news coming out, so make sure you don't open up trades. We have the PCI, core PCI index. Do not open trades on IRM. For the next 4 minutes. Do not open trades on the IRM for the next 4 minutes. We don't have right now. We have them at 10. Ho ho, we have them at 10 guys, sorry. So we have them in an hour and 30 minutes. Not now. Not now. Sorry. You can do trade nicely. News are coming out at 10, so in an hour and 30 minutes. The PCE. Interesting prompt reaction for the moment. 135 profit here. We're going to take it slowly. So Lucid Flex last day, 40% off. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video. These are very important accounts on the Lucid Direct, 150k instant funded. And by the way, so in 30 minutes, certainly yesterday we got cooked. Today there's going to be just fireworks back and forth. But let me tell you something in the meantime. Good day from Munich. In 30 minutes, guys, in 30 minutes from now, listen up, in 30 minutes from now, I'll update you on the situation for Ticktick Trader. I do have some news from Ticktick Trader, and I will update you with the news in 30 minutes from now. One more point is needed here for the Ticktick boys. And we're going for the payout. Yeah, I can make an update because I spoke to them yesterday. Finally. So I can tell you details. Well, you're gonna find it out, let's put it that way. We're gonna keep the tension, guys. We're gonna keep the tension. Make sure everyone to subscribe. Might be an interesting entry here. I'll add a buy limit on 676 right below the wick with a single contract. If the market drops there, 676 for the limit order here as well. 3 contracts. And Ticktick Trader, I'm going to put a 676 if I still have time. 3 contracts. Give me that. Give me that.
Order filled.
Alright, so contracts have been filled. Over here as well. On Lucid, on Ticktick, plus on IRM too. If we get something, we're going to hold it. Otherwise, we're going to cut it. Because at the end of the day, this could be pretty tough. If it's not jumping back. For the Ticktick, we need $500 and we're going for the payout.
Order filled.
Adding another contract here on a Ticktick. One more for the IRM. And certainly another one for the Lucid. We're winning a lot. Basically, my target for the Lucid is 1,800. Pretty weak reaction so far, guys. I'm not satisfied. Everything is dropping. Cryptos are dropping too. Nah. If you continue sliding, I'll actually cut you quite quickly. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Come on.
Order filled.
Adding a contract to this.
Order filled.
Might just get that 1 minute holding for a quick ride back into the 700s. We certainly don't need more than that. Pretty high on my entry. I'm not the most satisfied right now with my entries, and the 5 minute is weak. Thinking about leaving the ship. Wait, we don't have a prompt reaction here. We gotta leave the ship, guys. Yeah. Market's continuing its journey. Bulls are totally missing. Thank you so much for joining. Look at that. So we just took the wick. Stop loss is going to be below the wick we created. Yeah, probably it's going to be touched. Probably it.
Order filled.
Yeah. Ticktick. Lucid has been touched. Ticktick, not yet.
Order filled.
Ticktick has touched that. We're going to stop myself out of this for today. This is in a different situation. IRM as well. 1,200 down. No reactions. All right, guys. So we got to switch narratives. $200 EMA daily opening. Today's low. Last week's high. Last week's low. What do you guys think about? We have a lot here to deal with. No, gold is looking great. 4-hour candlesticks. Gold is preparing for retesting the 4,400s. Yeah. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. IRM is pulling through. 44 bucks for 50k. 450 for the 150k. Scramble coupon code gives you a bigger discount than what's located on their website. Market's still struggling. Market's still struggling. $631. Look at that. We're about to touch the... There you go. Daily opening, guys.
Order filled.
Daily opening right here on the 30s. Daily opening. Could be something temporary here. Let's find it out. The next level will be basically around 610, 600s, 30 points below the daily opening. That's where we have today's low. Good afternoon. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. Pretty terrible price action so far. Looks like a bearish dominance on Friday. Bearish dominance on Friday.
Order filled.
Come on. Give me the wick to the upside, boy. You'll let the shorts make money so easily. Anything you've shorted, you've made good money. Anything.
Order filled.
Have DC'd into this one a little bit. We're 6 contracts. Let's see if there's something behind this. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it, guys. Weakness continues and we're dropping. Stop loss is going to be right below this. Certainly no alternative.
Order filled.
Stop loss got hit. I'm going to limit myself out. And in this scenario as well, we're putting the stop loss right below the wick. Look at that. Yeah. Stop loss got hit here too. We made a new low. Incredible. Incredible, what a day. Look at that. Basically, you needed 2 hours to do this price increase back in the day. Just managed to dump it in 20 minutes. Yep. Good job, Master Trader. Submitted your payout to the IRM. Stop loss right below. Nah. Incredible, guys. Nothing holds. Nothing holds. We're below the 600s. This is totally messed up. We just got into a session of trading that's like looking like this. As soon as I got into my stream, we cliffed. As soon as I got into my stream, we cliffed, guys. So, let me set up my Flex account copy trader. On Quantower. As soon as we got into our stream, the whole thing has just cliffed. There's no way. There is no way. We set up the copy trader on 5 accounts. Look at this. There is no way. You know, you get this point, but the point to see is how and the way. I mean, the way it drops. That's very important. The way it drops. It's still continuing, guys. Still continuing. It's still continuing. Gotta look into the hourly. We're touching that red line, which gave us nice support so far. And that's the mark for dynamic swing and short volume weighted average price. Yeah. Yes. We're trading our 150k Lucid Flex accounts on Contour right now. Let me set up my copy trader. Finally activated. There you go. The swing and short line we have at this level around the 580s did give us decent support so far. Yeah. Three contracts filled up here. You know, we might get something from this level. But that has been the case for the past 30 minutes of me trying to long something that was clearly acting different than my desires. This is looking much better. We're gonna go break even and let it fly. We got some money making on our IRM account as well, the 50k account. I'm gonna sell here, $560 profit on the 50k. Good job. This one, $500 profit too, and the ones, yeah, that's no, this one. We got some profit on IRM with this movement. We also longed it there. Yeah. I was trading basically my bias, which is why I paid the price today. But it's important if we successfully trade here on the flex. That's very important. We put a sell limit order there. Another one a little higher. And the last one to the moon. Right, so we sold the contract. We've secured some profit. Sold 2 contracts. And sold 3 contracts. $1,200 profit on the Flex accounts. $1,200 profit here. That's good, guys. That's good. And on the other side, 500 on this. And 500 on this 50k. So that is some decent money. On the Flex accounts, we were copy trading it. So that's definitely worth some celebration moment out there. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. You know, it's the red line, guys. It's the red line. Look at that. Finally. Finally, some decent money out there. Daily opening might reject us on the 630s. But, you know, certainly I'm not going to trade right now. I'll have to wait. Yeah, it's good to trade on multiple places. So much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video. In order to participate, you gotta like the video. Please subscribe to our Discord as well. Audio. Let me see what happened. Trying to fix it right now. Let's see. Thank you, guys. Got back in a little long here. It's kind of the place where we have the golden pocket for the move to the upside we just printed. All the way into 625 would be good for me. Oh, nothing. Unique name invented by me to screw up the market makers. Let's see if we get the move all the way back above the 20s with this pullback. If the bulls resume their pressure around this level, wouldn't be bad for me. Stop loss on my entry, guys. We would hit the entire target for the... We got stopped out and probably right before it moves. Oh my gosh, right before it moved. We just got stopped out there with my break even put in quite quickly, guys. Wow. The target would have been touched. The target would have been touched on 5 accounts for the Flex 150k Lucid. Look at that. That's the way. Master Trader. So, Master Trader, your payout got approved by the IRM. How long? How long since you requested? Very fast. Yeah. Very, very fast, buddy. Congratulations. Your payout has been approved. You gotta be connected on Rise. And once you're connected, you're gonna get paid. They use Rise, yes. Instant Prime. Massively discounted 50% off with my code, which means $450 for an instant funded. The only thing you need is 10 days of $150 minimum per day. No payout target. So if you're making $2,000 or $3,000 totally, you can still go for a payout. For example, $3,000 on such an account would be just 2%. If you have 2% after 10 days, with minimum $150 each per day, you can still request your payout. Right, as long as you have 2,000, even less than 2,500, just have it at least above the minimum payout level, which is $500. IRM. YRM. Come on. So you requested. Approved right away. Congratulations, buddy. Look at that. Good morning. 5,500. That is a lot of the buffer. Let me tell you something. If you make for 10 days Master Trader just $150, you will be able to take your payout, and you're taking your second payout. And your second payout basically is $500 more than the first payout. Let me quickly verify that. You can now do the minimum. You can now do the minimum and still get much bigger. Yeah, $3,000 basically is your second payout. Look at that, $3,000 for the 150k. So you're making $1,500 in 10 days by making the minimum, and you take out $3,000. You're taking out double than what you're making. And then you have 3,500 for the third payout, and you can still make your $150 per day, and 6,000 for the fourth, guys. Ho ho! Time to speak out the news for the Ticktick, right? Time to speak out the news for the Ticktick, guys. So here's the thing. Listen up, guys, for the Ticktick. Time to talk about their situation. I had a chat with their team. Very, very likely. Very, very likely. Let me tell you. Very, very likely. New clients onboarding or sales purchases will be stopped for approximately 2 months. Right? Onboarding new clients, sales and purchases for the actual clients, very likely to be stopped for about 2 months. The actual base of people with the actual active accounts, they told me things are running normally for the actual base. Right? So you trade your accounts, you can request your payouts, and you can proceed normally. But you cannot buy anything new for approximately 2 months. And this is happening to onboard new data feed, create a contract, build the relationships, and make sure the platform is having a scalable plan, functional plan for the traders, considering the Project X and Trade Evade elimination, right? That's why, because they need this time, 2 months, to take care of their business. Approximately 2 months. This is what I've been told, guys. So if you have an account there right now, you can trade it normally. No problems with the actual active user base. Normally they can trade. Normally they can handle the whole thing. But this is what I've been told. They had a red big partnership, but probably they want alternative. This is for Ticktick Trader. Ticktick Trader, guys. I'm speaking about Ticktick Trader right now. You know, I can put up the website so you can see it. I'm speaking about a Ticktick Trader. Right? New clients onboarding coming soon. No more possibilities to buy coming soon. How soon? Up to 2 months. Approximately up to 2 months. Which means you cannot buy accounts for 2 months. You cannot sign up for 2 months. I talked about Ticktick Trader. Right, so they need a new data feed provider. They need to onboard new trading platforms. They have to integrate those. Their engineers need to sort it out on the back end. And obviously, the front end needs to do the partnerships, needs to sign the contracts, needs to probably organize the whole business, including their products and so on. Right, so that's their current situation, which is what I've been told, what I've been said. Yes, I've been told basically that their current base of traders that are having active accounts can continue trading their accounts without problems. This is what I've been told. So you can't buy new accounts, but if you have the ones like I got, it's the way it is. Yes. This is what I've been told. You cannot buy accounts, you cannot sign up. And probably they will take their time as much as it's needed with their current active base of clients. So you got to make a step back. If you still have accounts there, you can trade those accounts or request your payout. Fast track trading allowed people to buy accounts and then suddenly declared bankruptcy. Fast track trading was 4 months into the business. Ticktick trader, guys, is 3 years and more than 6 months. So more than 3 years and a half. Let me share with you on their website. This image is real. These people are real. I've been invited to this event and I could not participate. I had a baby, couldn't participate. But I've been invited to this event. So it's not the same like fast track trading, but that doesn't mean it cannot have problems. It doesn't mean they cannot have issues. It doesn't mean they cannot go at some point in bigger troubles. I don't know. We don't know. You guys don't know. And certainly, we have, for the moment, different options. Reliable options, great options, starting with a Lucid trading, continuing with the YRM, Tap on futures, Savius as well. Yes, correct, Purple Ninja facts. So I think they have difficulties and troubles. But at least they're not accepting new client sales and people's money. But at the same time, if we look into their official announcement, on Ticktick Trader official announcements, right? Announcements. There's nothing about this. There's nothing about Trade Evade. There's nothing about the whole thing, guys. Look at that. Their last CMA outgate problem had a few reactions. This was, had 16 reactions. Look at that. The Project X problem had 16 reactions there. 16 reactions. Do you want me to show you the number of reactions from the Lucid major announcement tab is having? Or, general announcement. Hundreds. Major announcements. Hundreds of reactions. So between 16 to hundreds of reactions is a huge difference in the client space. Yep. We've got great platforms, guys. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Yeah, a lot of the older firms are having difficult times. Thank you guys so much for joining. We got Lucid, which I believe is much better. And the IRM is... Look at a master trader, he got paid. IRM master trader, he got paid. He actually requested. You can post a screenshot and hiding your details in our Discord community, master trader. You can post an image, screenshot. Congratulations, buddy. TTT had a profit, a big profit with straight to funded plus accounts. IRM is not ready yet with Trade Evade. Volumetrica with the IRM. Or anything else you prefer from the DX feed. Quant Tower, Volumetrica. IRM is not very popular because IRM has 3 or 4 affiliates and they're not onboarding more affiliates. And they will not onboard more affiliates in the near future as well. They are trying to control the growth. To keep an eye on the plans, to keep an eye on the expenses, to keep an eye on the sales, to keep an eye on the business and the numbers and control the system. This is why they're not going mainstream. Because they want to take the growth process slowly and making sure if there is a change needed to be done, it will never affect the clients that have signed up under different conditions. In other words, retroactively, right? And that's how you can do it, by onboarding people slowly and keeping control on the numbers. Otherwise, if they would actually release 50 affiliates out there, all the guys promoting, bringing clients, it's gonna be a mess. Your business can actually go in the wrong direction. Lucid Flex ends today, correct. Lucid Flex promo ends today, guys. YRM is backed by a broker, sure. Not salary, just commission. No, Tap on Futures paid me the most. Tap on Futures. Around $50,000. IRM has been around since July. Volumetrica is pretty similar to Project X simplistic videos. Pretty similar. This is a platform. You got drag and drop. You have an integrated copy trader. You have a lot of the things. You can trade from your charts. You can do copy trading integrated, like I said. Easy to select. It's a web platform. Functions smoothly. So yesterday when Project X was down, Volumetrica was working. Yeah, let me just get slowly to your questions, guys, because we have a lot here. You're welcome, guys. Yes, Quantum, correct. Plus some other things with their CEO, and I don't want to talk about that, Quantum. Right, so I don't want to be involved in any conflict or any discussion that is not for our level of our community. So, huge competition in the prop space. Lucid is extremely legit. How long is the IRM 40% off? Not sure yet. I don't have a expiration time for that. Thank you, guys. So you also have with Volumetric another thing you can keep in mind. You can lock yourself out for the day. Right? You can lock yourself out for the day. You have a daily lockout, for example. Boom. Daily lockout, or you can edit your risk, daily loss, daily profit, weekly loss, weekly profit, inhibit changes until the next session. You have these possibilities to handle your risk management nicely. Oh, you were watching the Quantar page. No, we're not. We're not partnered. I think it's a good company. I've got nothing against, but we're not. It's not our bread and butter with them. Look at that. First payout for the IRM. Congratulations, buddy. You're a great, lovely community member. Nicely got paid. 2,250 right there from an instant funding account. I think a couple of, what was it? Like maybe an hour or two, and you already got paid on Rise for the first payout. You know, I've worked with their CEO, with Mo Saidi. I told them to try to go on a system which is very similar to the Lucid system of verifying your accounts, and at the time you request your payout, automatically to send you the money. Automatically, if you reach to that point, automatically basically to be approved and get your money. Think about. So not to go through the verification process after you request the payout, but actually have the system verify you at the end of the day every single time, and make sure you don't reach to the end of your target in 10 days and you request your payouts and then they to verify you. No, make sure they have a system to verify you earlier, guys. That's what I've been trying to tell them. Like a system verifying you along the way. Congrats, Master Trader. Make sure to join our Discord community, guys. 8 minutes, the market opens. It's still climbing. $740s. Woohoo! We're touching here a pretty dangerous level. Might test out a little short on this account. We got 560 bucks profit here. I like to see if there is room here shorting. Yeah. Could be an interesting idea for a retracement here after the retest we had on the 1 minute. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, everyone. I'd like to see if I can make another $500 here. That's all I want, 500 bucks. Stop loss and break even. We actually doubled up. 2 contracts. 3 contracts. Oh! What a 1 minute candle, guys. Look at that. Was that just an extra liquidity here 5 minutes before the market opening? It's pretty odd, right? We're just gonna cut it soon. Yep. Add a little more to this for a quick drop right before the opening. Yep. Volumetrica, exactly. Let's see if we can expect something from this. There's 2 minutes to go and the market opens. I'm putting my stop loss right above the wick we just made. Yep. 210. We're down with that. Look at that, guys. Market is exploding. What a lovely price action we had today. Yep. So Lucid Flex is having their last day of promotion today with 40%. Very likely it's going to decrease. We just touched the daily volume weighted average price around the 680s. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Gotta wait for the market opening. 30 seconds to go. We have our Ignite account on tap on futures as well. So the Lucid Flex 40% off the last day today. 5 funded accounts. It's very valuable. Unlimited evaluations, but 5 funded. Best of luck, guys. The market opens. Look at that one. Pushed all the way to 700s. Oh my gosh. We're going to the moon. So that whole drop we suffered today has been totally erased. Look at this movement, guys. Oh my gosh. I bet a lot of the people shorted from the VWAP. 200 EMA and VWAP we had. I bet a lot of the people shorted to get back on track. That's what we got. A nice pump. That's a strange price action we've got today. And hard to be traded. 740s. Giveaway starts soon, guys. Good job. It's still running, guys. Let's get into the 15-minute. We made a new high. Look at this price section. Oh my god. What do we target today? Like 26,000. $26,000. 740s, you called it. Congratulations, you did call it. Certainly having a difficult time positioning bearish here. Not gonna short it. These are 5 brand new 150k flex accounts. It's got into a little long here for the moment. See if it has the ability to get closer to the 800s. We're break even. That's the lovely part when you're going for the momentum. You can quickly go break even. Quickly, you can get into your break even. Break even got touched. Good Jay, Trade Max, good day. Congratulations, buddy. Master Trader He requested today, and he actually got paid today as well from the IRM. Getting back into a single contract long here. Stop loss is going to be right below the candle. We're playing it tight. Welcome. Good job, Trade Max. Welcome, buddy. So, Ticktick Trader, I've mentioned the update. I've mentioned on the stream. I'll say this once again. So I've been told that they are pausing sales, onboarding new clients, and sales for the actual base of clients. They're pausing them for approximately 2 months. The current active accounts, the current active traders, I've been told they can still trade normally. They can trade normally, they can request their payouts normally. This is what I've been told. And this situation is needed for approximately 2 months till they fix a new data feed, trading platforms, integrating the backend, engineers, software engineers do those jobs that are taking time, verifying, testing it out, creating partnerships, collaborations with this new data providers, and certainly building their business back by being competitive in the markets. This is what I've been told. So it's just an information that is transferred from a place to the other. I don't know more than this. It's not bad, right? The way the trade looks here, especially if it runs. What a miserable wick. Let's see if they're able to push this one back and continue, guys. I'm not gonna get scared that quickly. Not gonna DCA, but I'll leave it like this. No, it's not London high here. This is a new high of the day. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We're starting the giveaway soon. These are our 5 Flex accounts on Lucid Flex. Keep in mind, today is the last day of their launch promotion. Missed the continuation. Let's see. Is it getting ready to drop? Gonna put a stop loss there, right below the 30s, right below the current wick. Yeah, touch the stop on that. Unbelievable. Got back to yesterday highs, but there, you know, initial move is there. Still weak. Gotta wait it out. IRM Lucid. We traded some, but not much success. Even on this Lucid Flex, we were up by 1,200 bucks earlier. I mean, look at this price section. Initial pump at the opening, the most of it has been denied. Ho ho! Incredible. The whole thing has been denied. We pumped 100 points and then we've dumped. Just like that. It's a difficult day, guys. It's a difficult day at trading. But this would be an interesting spot here for a little continuation on my Ignite.
Order filled.
From the price action standpoint, we're looking quite good. We've cleared out those orders right below the 80, so could see that move back into the 20s. I'll just go break even there.
Order filled.
Yeah, great. Target has been touched here, 500 bucks. We're not going to celebrate this. We've lost too much today to celebrate this progress. Let's trade another account. The next one. Volumetrica is more user-friendly for me, Volumetrica. Especially because it's web-based, right? Web-based, and on top of that, with Volumetrica, you can do lock yourself out for the day. Lock yourself out. You can also do a daily loss limit, a daily profit limit, a weekly loss limit.
Order filled.
Got into a contract here on another Ignite account.
Order filled.
Right, so those are very important. Declining payouts? Not really. Unless you break the microscoping rule of 10 seconds. No, it's a good prop firm. We cashed out close to $50,000 from here on the stream. We traded a lot with them. We're still trading with them. Looks like we could actually hit our target here. Wouldn't be bad, right? Wouldn't be bad.
Order filled.
Target has been hit. See, this trading conditions are a lot easier. And they do fit my style. Good job, Master Trader. Yeah, obviously they should be the same. They should be the same. Sitting below volume weighted average price and yesterday's high. Welcome guys, great to see you. Thank you so much. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed. We're starting our giveaways soon. We're trading my Savius, and you know what we've got here? We bought on their Black Friday. 5 accounts of 300k. Let me set up my copy trader. 5 accounts of 300k. Let me just quickly set up my copy trader for that. Five accounts of 300k. We're down here $150 on the accounts. Yeah, I saw their email. Testing out 2 contracts short here for a continuation, back into the 700s. We're trading the $300,000 accounts. What I should do basically... Interesting price action, double support like that on the wicks of the 1 minute. That's rarely appearing, guys. Usually, if the wicks fills up in the next candle, it just continuously drops. But to have a double situation like that is quite interesting. Gotta put my stop a little higher. We got touched on that. The daily loss here is at 4,000. The max loss is about 12. Right, so the accounts are huge. Yeah. 10 minutes to go, and we've got the news. We've got to go. Back into the 700, boys. That's what I'm eyeing. It's a beautiful rejection. Quite prompt. Let's see if it's enough, guys. Let's see if that rejection is enough to cliff from here. Our stop loss is right above the wick that has been made. Are they going to push it back? We're going to find it out. We're playing this one aggressive. Our daily loss is at $4,000. No, they pushed it back. So this one continues all the way into 780s. No more retracements. Pretty strong directional movements we had today. Strongly gaining momentum. Look at that. Look at the hourlies. The hourly jokes we had today. It was not working anything today. Certainly one of the worst days, even though this week we had one of the best days. Two extremities during this week. Probably one of the best days we had at some point early in the week. With major profits across the board. But then yesterday and today we got shot a little bit with the daily losses. And with this kind of price action, shot me a little bit. We're starting the giveaway in a few minutes. 227 sign up. 227 join the giveaway. We're starting it in a few minutes. Time to change the environment a little bit and put some salt and pepper. Time to change this a little bit and put some salt and pepper, guys. So the first thing you want to do is make sure to like the video. That's how you join. First thing you want to do, like the video. Be subscribed, the next thing, right? We're close to 200 people and we have 160 likes, which means 40 people have not liked the video. They're not going to win. And then the third thing you got to join besides filling up the form is just join the Discord as well. I'll give you a bit of a time. Keep in mind, Lucid is running their last day for the Flex promotion 40%. With IRM, we've got the biggest discounts there. Much better than they're having it. Thank you, guys. I'll give you 10, 15 more seconds. And then... all the way to 800s. Look at that. All the way into 800s. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we'll certainly go to 26 by next week, and in December we'll cross the 26, guys. So the first giveaway will be $25,000 tap on futures Ignite account. Between 0 and 9, you can guess the number. Guess the number, guys. Between 0 and 9, $25,000 instant funded Ignite account for tap on futures prop firm. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, everyone. Between 0 and 9, only one guess per person. $26,000 this week is unlikely, but still, December is a long way to go. December, you can do more than 26,500. Oh, we might start pricing in the rate cuts. Thank you guys once again for joining. The last 2 days were certainly pretty poor from trading experience. Nah. Alright guys, stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there for the $25,000 tap on futures. Best of luck, everyone. We're gonna shuffle this and we're good to go. Come on. Let's go, guys. I think I'm gonna publish a video about the IRM during the weekend. So you certainly want to be there and watch the video. Especially our community manager just got paid. Was that, what is it, guys? Look at that. Is that going to be the green number 4, or do we go into the number 9? Do we go into the number 9? No, the paddle worked the number 4, guys. Hey. Tony, you're going to take a break on a timeout, 10 minutes, and enjoy just as long as we finish the giveaways. Congrats for the winners. Number 4, we've got you. And there's just 20 winners out there for the duck race, which clearly means 30%, sorry, 5% chance of winning. Best of luck, everyone, for 30 seconds on our tap on futures. Yeah, that's a good chance, 5% chance for everyone out there. Was gonna speed up. Martin, we got you. I think you're gonna make it, Martin. There you go. You finally confirmed, Martin. Congratulations, buddy. And now, time to find it out if you are on the list. If you've completed a form, and if you're on the list. Martin. Yes, Martin P8693, there you go. Congratulations, buddy. Hey. Martin, congratulations, buddy. Good job. What's happening out here? Broke above the 800s and sleeping around. Getting back to the wicks and to the numbers, and we're gonna have a different selection right now. And this giveaway, the second giveaway today, is gonna be about Lucid Flex account, $50,000. Lucid Flex account, $50,000 for the second giveaway. Guess the number between 0, 1, and 2. Guess the number, guys. Between 0, 1, and 2. Zero, 1, and 2. For those that have joined late, we're streaming daily from Monday to Friday. Join our Discord, 8 AM EST time, doing giveaways daily, trading daily, and having great educational materials on our channel. You want to look forward to that. This is going to be a Lucid Flex account. I don't know. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Lucid Flex, $50,000. Are you ready? Let me shuffle you and get you on board with that. Keep in mind, Lucid Flex is last day of promotion, launch promotion, 40% off today, till 5 PM EST time. So you can accumulate as many evaluations as you want. You can actually trade them. But just activate 5 funded simultaneously. If you have more funded, keep them on pause. That might be that yellow number 2, guys, in between the 2 zeros. In between actually multiple zeros. Look at that. That could be the number 2, guys, if the pedal works. And there you go. I pushed it. And now I put it a brake. And here we've got it. Number 2, guys. Press the pedal, the number 2 in between the zeros. That's pretty tough right there. That's pretty tough right there. Congratulations for the winners. Let's go. Come on. Good job. We're going to take you to the duck race. I bet there's going to be 30, 40, 50, 69. Ho ho. A lot of you enjoyed us. Number 69, which means you will compete for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds for the Flex account. Lucid Flex. A big deal. Lucid Flex account is actually having no consistency and no payout target for funded account. No consistency, no payout target. Push the pedal, guys. The next giveaway will be the IRM. You got a crown. Keep going. You don't need to be at the top. You don't need to be dominating right now. You certainly want to be out of the screen, doing some grill on the side, and then right at the end, just get back in the Atlantic. Do you know, guys, the ducks are swimming around the Atlantic here? I'm telling you. It's not an easy job. Keep going, buddy. You're right there with a punk on red. Mr. Knife Art. Here. That one. Here's Mr. Knife Art. Look at that one. Mr. Knife Art with purple hair. Your eye is pretty much gone from certain substances, right? Come on. Daniel, who's going to speed up, guys? We got a naked one. Andy. Well, he's going to get stubbed out. I got a pedal, guys. Chill out. Okay, trades futures. Okay, trades futures. Are you taking this one? Yes. Congratulations. Okay, trades futures. Congratulations, buddy. Look at that one. Ho ho. Let me see if you are. Yes, you're on the form. Congratulations, buddy. Are you here? Are you here? Are you with us? Maybe not. Maybe not. Congratulations, guys. Congrats for the winners. Right, so the third giveaway will be 50k IRM. For those of you that are fresh, make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. 50k IRM. People got paid on our IRM accounts today. Our great community members got paid. So feel free to lock your accounts. Let me think about the numbers. 7878. Just wait. Because we're gonna have a different version. 7, and then at the end I'll put 3 zeros. 7878 and 3 zeros. A lot of the 78 and only 3 zeros, guys. For the IRM $50,000 you can start right now. There is 3 zeros and 48 between 7, 8 totally, right? So 24 of 7, 24 of number 8, and 3 zeros. 24 of 7, 24 of number 8, and 3 zeros. Only 3 zeros at 51 entries. If you're going for the zeros, what is your chance of winning? Like 5-6%. If you're going to zeros, what is your chance, guys? Maybe 5 to 6%. Stop right there, no more guesses. This is a $50,000 IRM account. 825 on the Nasdaq. We're gonna shuffle. And this is good to go. This is good to go. Can we hit that 0 on the green or the blue? We got it here, guys. Look at that. We got that 0. Can we hit that 0? Will the pedal stop there? Will this pedal stop there, guys? Oh my god. That's gonna be close. It's the 0. Oh my gosh. How is that even possible? How is that even possible, guys? That's crazy. No. What? No way, guys. Oh my gosh. This is rigged, guys. Someone is watching, someone that is having this website is watching our stream, guys. 5 to 6% chance for that to hit, guys. That's insane, man. Oh my gosh. Think about 51 entries, and out of 51 entries, only 3 zeros. Oh my gosh. Look at that one. You can test out the website. You don't control the wheel, guy. Test out the website. Wheel of Names. That's the website. Wheel of Names. Test out the website and just look at the settings. You can look everywhere. There's no control function. We're joking, right? When we say pedals and stuff like that, we're joking. And I know you're having a great time with that. That's what we're saying, guys. But this is just crazy. Oh my god. And we have 26 winners. So 26 winners. You guys want to see their name? Look at that. Maddie is there. Maddie is there. A lot of the guys, the Business Lens and many other guys out here, happy kids from our great community. Look at that. These guys went for something that had an extremely small chance. We're gonna shuffle you, but let me tell you something, because you are so lucky. We're gonna take the first 3. We're gonna take the first 3, guys. We're gonna take the first 3 and do the second round with the first 3. And let's do it this way. Let me change the timer. Let's put a minute. Shuffle once again. So the first 3 will actually go round number 2 for this duck race. It's because we hit that 0, and that's just insane, guys. Keep it going. 30 seconds. Keep it going, guys. Enjoy the weekend as well. Thank you so much, guys. But that's just crazy, like I said. The first 3 will qualify for the final round. Come on, happy kids. Time to push. You guys subbed out. The Business Lens. We got you with a pink. Look at that one. The Business Lens. Sean and Ron. There you go. Let's just verify them. Let's just verify them. Business, are you here? The Business Lens is confirmed. Sean La Rosa is confirmed. And then Ron was the third. Ron B97, right? Ron B97, congratulations, right? So, Business, Sean, and Ron. We'll go like this. You guys will go for 2 minutes competition time. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck. Best of luck, guys. Here we go. Time to see you competing. Look at that. We got some happy fun times out here. Enjoying the moments. We got like 80, 90 people leaving, so they just joined for the giveaway. Come on. 1 minute to go. Totally rigged. Totally rigged, guys. 5 to 6% chance. And it got hit. You have to be in the form. 850s on the Nasdaq, looking nice and lovely. 20 seconds to go. Who's going to speed up, guys? We got doubles, triples. Thank you so much, guys. Any other updates? Welcome to our... Look at that. Ron is dominating right now. It's just about the runs. Look at that. Is he going to win? He's leading. He's at the top right now. Ron. Who's going to come from behind? Sean is coming from behind. And it's winning, actually. Look at that. There you go. Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations, Sean. The form is in the chat. It's pinned. It's also on our Discord. Discord, yes. Beautiful, Sean. Congratulations for that. Good job. So... let's just wrap up the things. What's happening here? Total madness in the markets. As soon as we got into the stream, on that hourly candle, we dumped this one. We dumped all the way to the red line. But you see the algos. I want you to look at the red line. Guys. You see the algos? They are watching it. So we dumped to the red line. And then we are printed 300 points since that. That's what we're talking about. Have a lovely, great, blissful weekend, guys. Thank you so much. Keep in mind, it's the last day for the Lucid Trading, Lucid Flex accounts. Keep that in mind. Winners, drop me a message on Discord. Looking forward to it. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely time. We're continuing on Monday, guys. Thank you so much for joining. Appreciate it. We didn't have the best days, but you were here, guys. Thank you once again. Looking forward to it on our Discord. And keep in mind, we're posting a video on week.